Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by eliminating simple causes fast. First, inspect physical connections and power lights. A loose cable often causes timeouts. Once done, power cycle modem and router, turn off 30 seconds, then power them back on and watch for stable link lights. Next, check your device IP configuration to ensure you have a valid DHCP address or correct static settings. Note the gateway and DNS, so you can compare them to router values and catch mismatches early. Now you dig into diagnostics to find where the timeout happens. Start with ping and traceroute. Ping your gateway, then ping 8. 8. 8. 8. Traceroute shows which hop drops packets. Once you identify the hop, flush DNS and renew DHCP to remove stale entries. On Windows, use ipconfig/flushtons and /renew. On Mac OS/Linux, restart the network service. Make sure to temporarily disable VPNs, firewalls, or proxies because they can introduce routing delays or block requests. Finish by applying fixes that remove recurring timeouts. Update router/modem firmware and reboot to clear known bugs. Make sure router settings persist after upgrade. If DNS was suspect, switch to reliable public servers like 8. 8. 8. 8 and 1. 1. 1. 1 and retest. This often restores speedy name resolution. Finally, if problems continue, follow a structured reboot. Modem first, then router, then your client device. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent timeouts remain, capture timestamps and trace routes to share with your ISP for targeted support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.